I'm going to show you how I attach the foot to the body, and you're going to do this using that long tail you left out. I just go through the top, and I'm going to grab that tail, right? And I'm just going to chain 8 times here. Then I'm going to fasten off and get a needle, a yarn needle, and I'm going to attach it around round 4 of the body. So you can see I already have that one attached. So I'm just going to go over and try to line it up as best as I can. Usually I use the eyes and I go just outside the eyes. So here I'm just going to go through 2 stitches of the body and I do it twice, make sure it's extra secure. And now I'm going to weave this long tail through the leg. And once I've gotten that all the way down, I like to go through the foot a couple times and then make sure it's super secure. And then I'm going to weave it in, like you can see here, just a couple times. And after I trim that off, you have your little moose legs, your little dangly moose legs.